Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make beer kai chutney, updated. Toast cumin, mustard, and dried red chilies first and then grind them coarsely. Sauté onions until golden brown, add garlic and ginger, then pour in 1 cup of beer to deglaze. Simmer gently until reduced and thickened, stir in jaggery for balance, and finish with lemon juice for brightness. Start with the spices because they set the tone for the chutney. Dry roast cumin, mustard, and red chilies until fragrant, then cool and grind coarsely. This gives texture and a toasted flavor that pairs beautifully with beer. Keep the grind chunky for mouthfeel, and reserve a pinch of whole seeds to temper the heat at the end if you like a bit of crunch. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video. Quick recommendation. Life is too short for cheap socks, so go darn tough for a lifetime warranty and unbeatable comfort, which feels great when you're standing at the stove stirring chutney. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you pick a pair, you'll thank me later. Now let's get back to the video. Cook slowly and taste as you go to balance flavors. Start by frying onions until rich and caramelized, then add garlic, ginger, and your ground spices. Pour in 1 cup of beer and simmer until the chutney coats the spoon, stirring occasionally. Sweeten with jaggery, add lemon juice to brighten, and season with salt. Let it cool before chilling so flavors settle and meld together.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.